Hello and welcome to the Powerbank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Zendure SuperMini 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. This is a compact power bank by Zendure. It has only one port, which is also an input and output port, which is an USB Type-C. And as you can see, it's a pretty small device. We can actually open the box and have a peek inside. You can see it there. They say that it's very close to the size of a credit card in terms of dimensions. It's obviously thicker, but in terms of length, they actually say it's shorter than a credit card. We're gonna have a look at that once we get it out of the box. But examining the box, we can see what we expect to find inside, which is the power bank itself, a charging cable, a warranty card, and a user manual. What else we have here? It's just the company name. And then on the back side, we have some more information about it. So the devices that it's compatible with, like mobile phones, music players, cameras, tablets, game consoles, and e-readers. So you can charge basically any type of smaller device, but you cannot expect to charge more powerful devices such as laptops. They say that it's compact and it's highly portable. It comes with power delivery, which will enable you to fast charge your phones with Zendure adaptive charging. It has a long-term standby, and it comes with pass-through charging, which can be highly useful in case you need to charge your power bank and your phone at the same time. For example, when there is only one power outlet, or when you have only one charger and you need to charge both devices simultaneously. And we can see other specifications here, such as the capacity, the type of the battery cell, dimensions, weight, input and output properties, operation temperature, and 24-month limited warranty. So basically, this is the information that we have from the box itself. Now let's try to open it and have a look at the power bank and the other accessories. Let's see what comes out of the box. So we have the power bank, and pulling this comes out. Oh wow, it has also a USB Type-A port. I was under the impression that it has only one port, which is the USB Type-C, but it has an USB Type-A port too, which is pretty cool. An unexpected surprise just right out of the box. And at first sight, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's like it has a very fancy and stylish design. It has a metal casing, which feels more durable than the usual plastic casings that we get with the regular power banks. The logo is pretty prominently on the front of the power bank, and here we have the power button, which indicates how much power we currently have in the power bank, which is almost about 75%. And we also have these metal ridges both on the front and on the back of the product, which make it very easy to grab it and hold on to it, and it also gives it extra adherence on various surfaces that you might put it on. So overall, the build quality of this power bank seems to be higher than average, and of course it's reflected in the price as well, because this is a power bank that costs a little bit higher than average too. But overall, it's a very compact power bank, very easy to carry in one hand, very easy to put in a pocket. We see some other details here, same details that there were in the box, and it's very good that the capacity is also listed here, because it can come in very handy during flights. So if you're flying with it, it's a good idea to have the capacity written on the power bank. Anyway, so let's see the other accessories from the box. So if we lift up this lid, you can see here the charging cable. Let's see what type of cable it is. So it's an USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable. That means that if you have a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charger, let's say, you will need to use a different cable to charge this power bank. So yeah, that's the charging cable. I think this is the warranty card with some more information on the product, user manual in different languages, and we seem to have something else here, which is like there's some stickers. Some stickers from Zendure. Anyway, so these are the items in the box: power bank, stickers, user manual and warranty, and of course charging cable. And now let's test the size. So remember, on the front of the box they are saying that the power bank is very similar in size to a credit card, and it's actually shorter than one. So what I have here is a memory stick, which is in shape of a credit card, exact same size. For obvious reasons, I cannot use my own credit card, so I'm using this placeholder, but it has the exact same size of a credit card, so we can actually put it to the test. And as you can see, it's actually indeed a little bit smaller than the credit card, but it seems that the difference is a little bit smaller than what they listed here in product image. Most likely the angle is different, so it looks, let's try to have it in the same angle. Yeah, I would say maybe they used like a larger credit card, but the difference is not that big anyway. So I don't know, if you want to forgive them for this, you know, difference that we can notice here. Maybe that's the way that the companies usually market their products, to be a little bit nicer than they are in reality. For example, like the McDonald's burger, which seems more juicy when you see it in images than when you order it online. So maybe here is the same principle. Anyway, so this was the unboxing of the Zendure SuperMini 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. I'm looking forward to actually testing it and to use it for a longer period of time, and then to come back with review video, and I post that soon, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, thank you for joining me today and for watching this video. Thanks for lasting up to the end, and see you next time. Thank you and goodbye.